Let's get it, man. Back with another video for y'all, man. I got this Mohawk today. You know what I'm saying? I never did a Mohawk on my channel, but I'm doing it today for y'all because y'all asked for it, so here it is. Okay, y'all know I'm gonna start off with my Slimline Pros. I'm gonna knock off the C cups since they're not really that formed. I'm gonna just go ahead and knock them off. Make a low guideline so I can have room to fade and have room to see transition. Now I'm grabbing my Babeless and I'm gonna open them up all the way and go up about 1 inch. See, this is a very important part of your fade. This first guideline is very important, so you want to make sure you blend that out as much as possible. So I'm gonna go halfway and then I'm gonna go fully closed and I'm gonna knock that bottom guideline out. Hey man, I'm actually about to get a MacBook for y'all. You know what I'm saying? I'm about to start taking more videos with my camera. I actually record most of my YouTube videos with my iPhone, but I'm actually about to start using my camera I already have, and I'm about to get another camera. Actually, I'm thinking about getting a GTX, so y'all should see improvement in quality over time. Now I'm about to go down with my 1.5 guard just to smoothen out my canvas and get it ready for the fade. Now I'm about to go up with my 1.5 guard fully open, and I'm really just deep walking this fade, getting it ready to meet in the middle. Right here, you see me fully close my 1.5 guard, and I'm just gonna attack that middle line. Y'all see, you just make sure you want to attack it and flick out. You don't want to go too high, but you don't want to go too low. Right here, y'all see I got the 1 guard on, and I'm gonna fully open up my Babeless, and I'm gonna attack that middle line. You want to make sure you flick out, but I don't over exaggerate it too much, so my flick out motion isn't too exaggerated, but I am flicking out. Right here, y'all see me closing it halfway, and I'm just gonna attack that middle line, and then y'all will see me fully close it. You want to make sure you're using your corners too. That will really help with your detailing and just really add an extra blur to the fade and not move it too high or anything you don't want to happen. Now y'all see me grab my half guard, and I'm just gonna attack that little, y'all see it's little lines in there. Some people may be able to see it, some may not be able to, but it's a line that I see that I have to get out. So I'm gonna use this guard, start off fully open, close it up, and then I'm gonna go to my fade masters. Y'all know my method. Right here, I'm gonna grab my Babyliss and I'm just gonna fade the top of the beard in a little bit more. So I'm gonna start off fully open, and then I'm gonna go halfway, and then I'm gonna go one notch before fully close, and then I'll fully close it. That's my method I do to fade in my beards, because you really wanna be careful. Right here, I grab my magic clips and I'm just gonna go down on the front of the line. My preference, I like to start in the middle and go to the right or left, and I just go straight across. Right here, I'm just getting some clips of me in my zone, man. I'm just getting some clips of me in my zone, detailing, using my corners. You know what I'm saying? Detailing at the end is the most important part to me. That's what really added that extra blur to all of my cuts. Right here, y'all see me using my Got To Be glue, just making sure I lock all the hairs in place on the beard, the hairline, everywhere. You want to make sure everything in place. Right here, y'all see me going back over the line after I sprayed it with the Got To Be glue. Really just detailing, making sure everything is detailed and sharp. Right here, y'all see me doing the beard lineup. I don't go in with my clippers at all on the beard. I really like to go in with the razor. So you want to make sure you stretch the skin. And me personally, I don't like to push the beards down a lot at all. To be honest, I like to bring them up as high as they can come. But some clients don't be wanting the full beard look since it's not that full. So yeah, I know, y'all. Sorry for the angles, man. The angles was bad in some of the lineup clips, but I will get better with my angles once I start recording back with my camera. Right here, I'm about to spray them down with the Got To Be glue, you know what I'm saying? Making sure I lock everything in. But this is basically the cut, man. Y'all see it. Right here, y'all about to see me using the blow dryer, just making sure I'm locking everything in, man. Even though y'all see the cut already sharp, sometimes I do the pencil just to add an extra pop for my videos, or sometimes my clients like the extra pop it gives, so. So this is basically the final product, man. If you like this cut, make sure you leave a like. Make sure you subscribe. Leave a comment, man. Make sure you tell a friend about me. I'm finna go crazy. I'm finna take over. Make sure y'all keep supporting, man. Make sure y'all keep showing love, man.